Hope that you guys join, for that. Sam there for the drama. I don't know. I like Sam, but I don't really watch him at all. Like, that's the thing. Like, I kind of like him if I'm with him, but, like, I don't watch him. I like his voice when I'm around him, but I don't like listening to his voice when I'm, like, watching streaming, to be honest. And the one thing that strikes me is that I haven't seen Sam stream by himself ever. Really, I don't think ever. I've never seen him stream by himself. He's always with the crew. So hopefully he can maintain the numbers that he does when he's solo. But I think he can. Once again, I'm not a hater. I hope that he does very well. But as far as him wanting to see crazy content like I've done before, if he's not interested anymore, then that's a good thing.